right now I have with me someone who's ventured into the Bengali film scenario, and she has produced a Bengali film. At the same time, she's now all set with her very new directorial. It's supposed to be releasing on Eros now, and it's a short film. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we
Yes.
have the very beautiful Anushri Mehta. Hello, Anushri, and welcome to the podcast.
Hi, Sandeep. Thank you so much. This is such a sweet introduction. Thank
Thank you so much. You know what? I actually have the private link of Unplugged, but unfortunately, I didn't quite
you.
get the time to see it yet. It is there with me. It's like
Oh, you should have
two
seen
to
it.
3 days now, and I still didn't find the time to see it. Just imagine the kind of busy schedule that I have right at
Yeah.
this point in time. I would
No,
have
I
really loved to
understand.
watch it because, especially because of the fact that there are really some very good actors in it.
Oh,
I mean,
yes.
I
Oh,
know
yes.
him and I know Sevan personally on a personal
Oh,
level, for that matter. So
right.
I know that they are pretty good actors and wonderful performers and
Yes.
nice, lovely talents. Firstly, you've got to
Yep.
tell me how had you kind of zeroed in on writing something that's on the lines of suspense and a little bit of a the dark kind of mentality or dark kind of a psyche.
Right. So, as a filmmaker, I obviously want to tell stories of varied genres and, varied kind of stories. But बचपन से लेकर अभी तक, you watch so much cinema and you read so many books.
Yes.
So I've grown up on Agatha Christie novels and movies like Ek Ruka Hua Faisla and 12 Angry Men. And, these cult classics always inspire you in so many ways as a
Absolutely.
filmmaker, especially. तो मन में कहीं ना कहीं ऐसी एक चाह होती है that I will one day try and attempt to make something which is in the lines of something that reflects your inspiration is how I wanted to. So that's how the journey of Ankahi started. But it's a very different film from any of these things that I spoke about. So it may sound a little familiar when I talk about one closed room and there are these people who are suspects and all of that. But the journey of it is pretty different that way. Once you watch the film, I'm really excited to talk about it right now, but I can't because the film isn't out. But hopefully we'll get to discuss it once the film releases, and then probably if we do this again, then we'll be able to talk about it. So yeah, so that's what had constantly inspired me to make something which is within a closed enclosure, where people can't move around. आप
Hmm.
कितनी सारी लोकेशंस में कहानियां बोल सकते हो, उसको इंटरेस्टिंग ग्रिपी बना सकते हो, because you have various visuals to kind of deal with, and constantly there is some or the other change. Here you have to remain constant with every character's emotion, the story, because your surrounding is the same. It's suffocating the characters, and likewise it reflects on the audience as well. So the suspense and the thrill of the film is that to create that kind of an experience for the audience. Like every cinema has its experience, horror has its pure experience. So I wanted to create that suspenseful, choking kind of an experience that the characters of the film are kind of experiencing. So I hope it gets paid off. My intention gets paid off.
I'm sure it will. I'm sure it will. And especially because of the fact that films in the horror genre or in the suspense genre are very less written and very less made in the Bollywood repertoire, at least.
Yes,
Uh,
yes, that's true.
I mean, we have actually grown up, for me as a film student as well. I've grown up on films of Hitchcock. I've grown up on films of, I mean,
Yes,
these master filmmakers for that matter.
yes,
But that kind of cinema
yeah,
is not really. I mean, you don't really see, or you definitely see cheap remakes of those cult classics. But
right,
we don't really have that genre of cinema in India or in the Bollywood
yeah,
repertoire.
right,
So I'm
right.
sure it will definitely be a lot of the intrigue factor will definitely be there.
Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to your reactions on how you found the film to be.
Anushri, also you've got to tell me how was I mean, what was your brief to Hitin? What was your brief to Seban? And I mean, what is the entire mindset behind the film?
So while talking about my actors, I think I am extremely blessed that I have got the opportunity of working with the actors that I worked with on Ankahi. So we have a long-standing relationship with Hiten because, like, while we were writing these TV shows, one of the shows was being anchored by Hiten at that point of time, and we wrote for him. Wahan se we kind of connected, Abir, me, and Hiten, and then I went on to making a very big corporate film, which Hiten was a part of. So I had essentially directed him before. And so when I wrote Ankahi and I, knocked at his door and said that, Hiten, I've written this film and I want to make it. He said, of course, I'm doing it. I mean, he read it, obviously, but he was totally ready. And he said, मैं बिल्कुल ही करूँगा तुम्हारी film. So he's always had that faith in me, and he's always very encouraging and very, very supportive. Like, he's rock solid. So I'm extremely grateful for him. With Sehbaan is also, a personal friend, but he didn't do the movie for that. He actually read the film and, discussed his character with me, and we did take a couple of days to go through it. And then once he came on set, and before that we prepped and all of that, he transformed. मतलब वो Sehbaan ही नहीं है, वो लड़का change हो गया पूरा. And because it's a very different character from what Sehbaan is or what he usually plays, So जब आप film देखोगे, you will realize that this is Sehbaan, like what is he doing, kind? Because उनका character बहुत ही different है from how we personally may know Sehbaan or his audience knows him on screen. So he's a dream to work with. मतलब आप उनसे कितने भी घंटे shoot करा दो, he will happily shoot and he will be in his character and as energetic and as supportive. You may lose your morale for a little bit, but he'll prep you up and say, no, it's okay, we'll do it, we'll be able to do it. So that's Sehbaan. I'm extremely grateful for Sehbaan as well. Likewise with Anupriya Goenka, she's a powerhouse girl. I mean, what a brilliant actor she is. I met her directly on set because the circumstances were such कि हम पहले नहीं मिल पाए थे. And, there was someone else who kind of was supposed to do this film. And for whatever reasons, that couldn't transpire. And then I was, left out in the cold. But my casting director reached out to Anupriya and she loved the script so much that she said, ठीक है, मतलब I support my director and I'll go directly to the set. So मैं उनसे actually set पे directly मिली थी, पहले मिली भी नहीं थी. And the moment she came on set, I just needed half an hour with her. I discussed stuff with her. The way she got the directions, the way she played her character. She's a director's delight. I mean, there is nothing that Anupriya can't do. So she's amazing. And likewise with Ashwin Mushran and Ayushmann Saxena and Ravi Khemuttar. I mean, the amount of support that they, extended and the way they've acted in the film. So I shot this 40-minute film in one day in a 12-hour shift. So, which was crazy. I mean, आप 40 minutes की पूरी film एक दिन में shoot कर रहे होगे. So obviously your actors are working round the clock.
When did you start shooting? As in, was it in the morning?
Well, it was supposed to be in the morning, but I have faced all possible challenges that could have come to a filmmaker on this film.
All right, now that you have just spilled the beans, tell me what is perhaps one of the most challenging aspects of shooting the film?
Yeah, well, so जिनमें से gossip हो सकता है वो सब मैं आपको नहीं बताऊंगी. लेकिन there was a lot of logistical issues also that happened that day. We were supposed to start at 7 in the morning, but something went wrong with my light vendor and somebody met with an accident on the way. So everything got delayed by 5 hours. And finally, on a 7 o'clock shift, my film shoot started at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And I only had the actors till 12 in the night. So 12 to 12 May, I shot the entire 40 minutes. And actually, while I was shooting, I think one of the actors went up to Abir, who's also the creative producer of the film, and said, she's on a roll, she's gone crazy, ये पूरी picture आज ही shoot करके ही रहेगी. And Abir is like, हाँ वो कर लेगी. But I was living on Parle Ji that day. मैंने कुछ नहीं खाया था. And I was just like, मेरी film, I get so possessive about, and your film is like your baby, right?
Yes,
and I had to make it.
I know that feeling.
and that you just have that much of a resource. Your actors, and these are all actors who are really busy. I mean, I did not work with newcomers ki chalo theek hai wo mere liye adjust kar lenge. इन लोगों ने भी बहुत adjust किया, लेकिन these are busy actors, they work around the clock. तो मेरे पास उनके dates भी नहीं थे, मेरे पास resources भी नहीं थे. So I was like, bro, no, you have to do it today. And I just went out like a woman on a mission, and I actually finished it. But obviously I can't do it all on my own. It's my team and my actors who supported me, got rock solid with me through the day. But I could manage it in, that 12-hour shift. So, to maintain that kind of energy at Ravi Khemu sir's age, or, Ayushmann Saxena was the youngest in my cast. वो बेचारा दिल्ली से early morning flight लेकर he'd come, and then to keep that energy up and still perform. You're in front of the camera. It really is draining, but the amount of energy and support that they had, and they really loved the script is what they told me, and that's why they were very excited to play their part. And मतलब वो actually तो हंसते खेलते पूरा दिन निकल गया. So and then we could make the film that we did. So all in all, Ashok Pandit sir is a part of the film, which I'm very, very grateful for. He also loved the film when I narrated it to him, and he agreed to do a special appearance for me. He said, "Tumhari pehli digital film hai, so of course I will do it."
He's so actually he'll be facing the camera after a long time, Mr. Ashok Pandit.
After a long time, yes, that's true. So and he's so good. I mean, he's so good. The character that he played, I mean, we were all hooting and clapping on set when he was performing. So, and actually for each one of the characters. So the actors were a delight to work with, yeah. And मैं actually भूल गई कि मेरे इतने सारे problems चल रहे हैं behind the camera कि मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ क्या क्या हो रहा है. मतलब the world is crashing down on my head at that point, but what's happening in front of the camera, it's pure magic, and that is what I was living for.
Also, a very important topic that's just doing the rounds nowadays is that of nepotism and favoritism. You being an insider, outsider yourself. How have you tackled things, and how have you managed to kind of carve a niche for yourself in the industry?
Well, so fortunately or unfortunately, I have only gotten to observe, this whole idea of nepotism and all of that. I may have experienced elitism or favoritism at various levels, पर अभी तो मैंने अपनी पहली डिजिटल फिल्म बनाई है, तो मैं अभी इतना ऊपर सीढ़ी में चढ़ी नहीं हूँ. तो which I am expecting to rise really, really soon, nepotism or not. But the point is that I have seen people, my friends, very close friends of mine in the industry who are directors, are writers, and I have seen them facing some real bullshit, and I must say that, because they ended up making their films with people who are supposed to back good cinema and good new filmmakers, is what they tell media. But essentially what they have done to those films and done to those filmmakers is driven them to a point where those people are just really looking forward to just get out of their own film and just start off with something new, because वो थोड़ा claustrophobic और controlling जो हो जाता है. So all of this is, there's sprinkles of everything, there's sprinkles of nepotism and favoritism and elitism and all of that in all of those scenarios. And why I'm saying this is because cinema is probably the only medium जहाँ पे art, any kind of art, is the only medium where an artist gets to explore what they want to say. So when somebody is backing a writer-director film, they either like that film or they don't.
Yes.
When you get somebody's product, and either you write your own film and then get a director, or you direct it yourself. But the idea of just capturing somebody's product and then trying to control it, and then trying to control the person also, and just not letting that person make that product the way it was envisioned and why it was sold to that person in the first place, it just gets too out of hand, and then it plays with the psyche and emotion of any human being, because हम 9 to 5 job नहीं करते हैं. अगर हमें वो करना होता तो हम कर सकते थे. All of us are educated enough to have gotten any of those jobs. We are here in this volatile market, in this volatile industry where our monies, our finances, and nothing is secure. Our Friday to Friday, our luck change. हम ऐसी industry में इसीलिए हैं because we are in love with the idea of storytelling. So if then there is going to be a bunch of people or one person or whoever you're dealing with at that point of time who is at a much higher, better, powerful, moneyed position, who can control, your life and your product in a certain way, I think it's very unfortunate. And I think we can be a lot more collaborative, a lot more supportive, and people who are new with dreams, who are younger, who don't have much experience, it gets really hard for them. I mean, because ऐसा कोई procedure तो है नहीं यहाँ पर कि आप एक interview दो या 4 interview rounds दो and then you get into. Of course, there is a lot of bullying and all that happens in every industry. Again,
Absolutely.
Bollywood is highlighted because of the fame that's involved. But I'm definitely not going to deny any of these things that we spoke about because I have seen my friends experience all of that. And I just feel that it's really sad. And I hope that ये जो सारा conversation start हुआ है या जो भी इस वक्त बातें चल रही हैं, something good comes out of it.
Yes,
that all
yes,
these
absolutely.
people who we may not name, but who know in their own heart what they're doing. Everybody knows their karma. So I'm sure that these people know what they are doing, and I hope that they realize that what goes around comes back around, and what goes up is bound to come down. So one day, it's all going to come back to each one of us, and we can be a much more collaborative industry. We can do such great work in our industry. There's so much talent. It is
Yes.
unbelievable how much talent we have, and every day there are people who come into our industry with hopes and dreams of working so hard with such a lot of talent. I think we can nurture all of that. ऐसा नहीं है. I think the world is made like that कि चींटी को भी और हाथी को भी उसका खाना मिल जाता है. तो यहाँ पर भी सबको सब कुछ मिल सकता है. It's just that we need to be more open, make space for new people, outsider, insider, जो भी हो. We need to make way for talent. We need to make way for passion. That is what, we all need to help nurture at our own level.
Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies high.